All right. This probably, I'm reminded, it's probably like 872 times now of the reason why I should have my head examined. I had not realized. Yesterday, I made the holes in here, right? For the steel brackets that Dave made, which are over here. And some of these, I had to cut some of these down because they were too long, which is fine. I made them the right size because I anticipated that. Because when they poke through, or excuse me, they would have poked through on a couple of these. They were too long this way. At any rate, it took all day yesterday, all day, to make 6 holes. You saw me plunge through with the hollow chisel mortiser, but then I had to use, should have had these out for you, this drill bit, and I'll insert a snapshot right here. So that was a picture of the chisels I used yesterday. That one real big one, that's a timber framing mortise chisel that I've never used before. I probably bought it 25 years ago or more. It's just been in a drawer. Couldn't have done it without it. So this is just to remind you to not ask me to do these for you. It would be astronomical if I put a number on this. I've been working all day practically already just on this one shelf sanding it. It's just, I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know, like, there's just times when I get all excited about projects and I come up with all these designs and I see it in my head and I'm like, oh, I want to do this. And, you know, somebody comes along and they're like, yeah, okay, we'll have you do that. I'm not ever really, I don't think about how long it takes me to do things. I'm not the best with figuring out the time. So it's on me. It's okay. I'm proud of what I do, and it's going to be really cool when it's finished. I was talking to my next prospective client last night, and he threw a number out there. He's like, hey, that's a job. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I did not do that. He goes, don't worry. I'm going to take care of you on the next one. So Monday I'm taking off because I have to go look at my next prospective job. But it's Thursday now, and I haven't started finish on this yet. I'm going to be sanding these shelves out today and tomorrow. Maybe at the end of the day tomorrow, I can get finished on a couple pieces. So next week is going to be all finish. But my God. I so underestimated the amount of time it was going to take to do this. It's okay. It's okay. I hope you guys appreciate this. Just wait till it's all done. It's like ribbon. It's like a ribbon. I mean, it's just beautiful. And you guys can kind of understand. Here's one of the longer shelves here. Just imagine this thing here hanging on the wall. You know how that's going to look, just floating on the wall. It's going to be very cool. And that's why, I mean, I'm taking my time on this because, you know, you can't have, this is the edge everybody's going to see. You know, you can't have like deep scratches or file marks in here. You just can't have that because you're going to be looking at it like that. And this one here might even be at eye level. You can't have, it's got to be perfect, or as perfect as I can make it. I'm pretty good at getting things, you know. I have a client who used to tell me all the time, Mike, perfect is good enough. Relax. Perfect is good enough. Let yourself off the hook once in a while. It's okay. You don't always get out of things what you put into it. But every time, you know, the thing with me is I never do the same thing twice. I'm always doing something unique. I'm a weird guy like that too. If I had to do the same, like when I was doing cutting boards, people ask me for cutting boards all the time. Can't do it. It makes me crazy. I can't do the same thing day in, day out. Could not do it. So when I take on a project, it's got to be a different thing every time. I just have to constantly challenge myself. So I'm the one with the problem. I just wish I could estimate the time it would take to do these things a little bit better. But then, of course, you risk pricing yourself out of a project. You know what I mean? So there's like this happy medium there. At any rate, I'm just doing this so you guys know where I'm at. This is the floating shelves sanding out the floating shelves, and perfect is good enough, man.